Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this SiyunShow lace closure wig right here. The hair is actually 30 inches loose deep wave wig and it is 250 density. I love this. It came in this cute pink bag right here, and it comes with a wig cap and it comes with and eyelashes as well. And this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. As you guys can tell, the curls are popping, like straight from the box. The curls are popping. Look at that. I love the wave pattern. It's super duper full, and the same throughout the length of the wig. The hair is actually glueless, so you don't need to use the construction of the cap is glueless, so you don't need to install it with any glue or gel. It comes with 3 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, and it also comes with an elastic band, adjust elastic strap as well, so you don't need any glue to install your hair. You can use the elastic strap to secure your hair, or use the comb in the construction of the cap to secure your hair, and you will be good to go. So as always, I decided to use glue because I like to wear the hair for a while to be able to give you guys an in-depth review in this voiceover which I'm still wearing right now. So yeah, I applied the Darella Cosmetics Maximum Hold Glue on my forehead, the areas where I was going to apply the lace. This is definitely my favorite glue by far. So I placed the lace of the hair on the glue and I comb it backwards just to be able to see the areas I'm working with. When I'm happy with that, I apply the elastic band on the hair just to slay the hair really flat, then cut off the excess lace from the wig, then applied the not got to be spray, the other bedded. I applied bedded on my hair, the area where I applied the glue, just to extra slay the hair at the front. And yeah, that was all I did for the installation so far. It's very straightforward, very easy, self-explanatory. You don't need to stress yourself, and I love the lace of this wig. You guys are gonna see in a bit, the lace melted into my skin effortlessly just by following these simple steps that I showed you guys. For any wig, you will love this wig. Like seriously, the lace melted into my skin. I took off the elastic band and voila, look at that. I was shocked as well. I wasn't expecting that. The lace disappeared completely into my skin. Bear in mind that the hair is actually 5x5 lace closure, meaning you can pat the hair anywhere within the 5x5 lace closure. You can go for center parts, you can go for half parts, you can go for side parts, you can actually also move the hair to the other side, just depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But I decided to go for half parts for this look, and as you can tell, you don't need any foundation or concealer on your part, but I decided to do it anyway because I'm used to it. So I used the care wax on the hair just to lay the front flat a bit. You don't have to do it, but if you're extra like me, feel free to do so. And then after that, I used the, what's it called, hot iron to flatten it. So voila, that's the hair straight from the box, guys. I didn't do nothing. I just cut the lace and that was it. That was it. And watch this bit as well. All I did here was just apply the spray to the hair, and the curls were like, wow. This was actually its protection spray, guys. Its protection spray. Look at those curls, guys. Straight out of the box. I was like, what? I don't need to curl this hair. I don't need to curl this hair. Look at that. But on the other note, I was like, if I don't curl this hair, how would you guys know it's 100% human hair? So I decided to curl the hair anyway. But trust me, you don't need to curl the hair straight from the box. The curls have been popping straight from the box. So it's the kind of hair that you cut your lace and you'll be good to go kind of hair. You don't have to stress yourself in regards to installing this hair at all. One of those reasons why I really love this hair a lot. And yeah, the hair took to curls really well. The quality of the hair is amazing. As you guys can tell, the hair took to curls really well. I did the other side as well. All I did was just curl the hair away from my face, and then bam, another style. I was loving it. But I used powder on my line, my part, but you don't have to do this, to be fair. But just because I was far away from the camera, I decided to do it so that you guys can see that this was where my part started from and this was where it ended. But otherwise, you don't have to. The lace is very transparent. I love it. Look at that. I was actually feeling myself. Look at the volume of the hair. I love the volume of the hair. Super duper full, super silky, very soft, and voila, look at that. I was feeling myself. I couldn't help but show you guys how full the hair was. Look at that. Love this hair. I decided to go for center part at the end of the night that day, because I'm still wearing the hair as I speak, but that night I decided to go for center part. Look at the lace. Show me the lace. Look at the hairline, guys. Show me the lace. Where is the lace? Look at that. Where is the lace? Like, seriously? Seriously? I love this hair. I am a huge fan. Quality wise, it's top notch for me. I really love this brand, and I love the fact that their shipping was really quick as well. Look at that, guys. Stay tuned for my reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this 5x5 lace closure wig by SiyunShow hair. I'm gonna quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. Look at that. The hair is actually 30 inches loose deep wave lace closure wig, and as you guys can tell, the hair is really full because it's 250 density. Very full and very voluminous. I am loving it. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the curl pattern of the hair straight from the box, guys. As I showed you guys in this video, you guys don't need to curl this hair straight from the box. I am loving the hair. The hair is super duper voluminous. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. The hair is super duper soft and very silky to touch. I love the wave pattern of this hair straight from the box, and I love the fact that the hair does not shed or tangle at all. And if you guys don't know SiyunShow are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have hairband wig, they have bondage, they have all types of hair on their website, and they also have amazing offers on their website every now and then. So if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, including weekends. It's amazing in my opinion. I love their shipping is really quick. The thing I love about the hair is the fact that the hair took to curls really well. I love the fact that the curls were even popping straight from the box. Straight from the box, you don't have to curl this hair at all. I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, you can just, you know, cut your lace and apply your wig. You will be good to just spray heat protection on the hair, and the curls were popping. I was like, really? Every single inch of this hair is super duper curly. I love that about the hair. Another thing I love about this hair is the lace, guys. Like, effortlessly, the lace. No, show me the lace. Like, seriously, show me the lace. Where is the lace? Like, this is my real hair. You can't dispute that. Look at that. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. I love the lace of this wig. The lace of this wig is just amazing. Like, all I did was just place the lace on the glue and, you know, tie it with my elastic band, and voila, it melted effortlessly into my skin. So in terms of the lace of this wig, I am a huge fan. You have to stress yourself when it comes to the lace of this wig. It's very soft and very easy to work with, and the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. So if you're the type that like baby hair, you are in for a treat, because the hair definitely comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. Would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I'll definitely recommend that you guys check out SiyunShow hair. In terms of the quality of the hair, is definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the lace of the wig, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of their shipping was super quick. It's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the length of the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. The hair is definitely true to length. Easy it is to install the hair, and you know how versatile the hair is straight from the box. Is definitely AA plus for me. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that you guys check out SiyunShow hair for all your amazing quality hair at affordable price. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.